AI.
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 With AI.
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 Hello everyone, and welcome back to AI Surge. We came back again with another exciting video. Imagine conjuring vibrant, hyper-realistic videos simply by describing them with words. That's the tantalizing promise of OpenAI's Sora, a groundbreaking AI tool capable of weaving pixels into captivating narratives. On February 15, 2024, OpenAI, which had astonished the world by announcing ChatGPT in late 2022, once again stunned the world with the unveiling of Sora. This technology, capable of creating videos up to a minute long from a text prompt, is undeniably set to be a breakthrough. OpenAI is launching a new video generation model, and it's called Sora. The AI company says Sora can generate videos up to a minute long while maintaining visual quality and adherence to the user's prompt. Which in simple words means that the text-to-video model allows users to create photorealistic videos up to a minute long, all based on prompts they've written. Sora means sky in Japanese. Although it has not been officially announced whether this naming was intentional, it is speculated to be so, given that their official release tweet featured a video themed around Tokyo. But while whispers of its capabilities float across the tech ether, a veil of uncertainty shrouds. Is Sora destined to be our AI-powered muse, freely available to unleash creative expression? Or will its powers come at a premium price tag, locked within the grasp of a select few? So, buckle up, fellow tech enthusiasts, as we navigate the murky waters surrounding OpenAI Sora. So first thing first, Sora is an advanced text-to-video conversion model developed by OpenAI, and its capabilities and application range illustrate a new horizon in modern AI technology. This model is not limited to generating mere seconds of video like 5-second videos of Lumiere. It can create videos up to 1 minute long, maintaining high visual quality while faithfully reproducing user instructions. It's as if it's bringing dreams to life. Regardless of whether your prompt makes sense or not, Sora mostly works with complex camera motions, multiple characters, and intricate physics of the scene. Let's see how does this mind-boggling thing works. Sora is trained on video and image data of varying lengths, resolutions, and aspect ratios. It is a text-conditional diffusion model that uses a transformer architecture and operates on space-time patches of video and image latent codes. Sora is a diffusion model like DALL-E and Stable Diffusion, where you start with some random noise, then gradually update that noise to a coherent image. There's a ton of data in a single still image, like a 1000 pixels by a 1000 pixels by 3 color channels comes out to 3 million data points. But what if we have a 1-minute video at 60 frames per second? Now we have over 10 billion data points to generate. Sora can generate content with 3D consistency while handling camera motion, maintain object permanence in the scene over long durations, simulate the interaction between entities in the scene almost obeying the laws of physics, and even generate digital worlds like Minecraft. Traditionally, games and game engines have been the best examples of scene creation on the fly that can make meaningful content. A game engine is primarily a physics simulator that, based on the physics of the desired output, generates a 3D scene. A video renderer converts the 3D scene into a 2D video, applying the camera angles and light perspective to make it feel realistic. This is why games need GPUs to render games, and ray tracing is one of the most important algorithms. Unreal Engine is the industry leader. That makes us wonder who is asking for $7 trillion for GPU production. Yes, Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI. I mean, creating 1-minute video of this quality is no joke. Now look at some of the videos presented by OpenAI generated by Sora. Bear in mind that there's no audio to any of these clips. The prompt for the first one is a stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with warm, glowing, neon and animated city signage. She wears a black leather jacket, a long red dress and black boots. This video is already miles ahead of where we were. It has accurate lighting, it has materials, it has skin tones, movements, even has reflections all over the place. This is another one which has a long prompt about a camera following behind a white vintage SUV with a black roof rack as it speeds up a steep dirt road. This is also, again, really good. Here's another one, a litter of golden retriever puppies playing in the snow. Their heads pop in and out of the snow covered in it. It's so good. It feels like the physics of the fur and the ears and everything with the snow flying around in slow motion is incredible. We've looked through all of the sample videos on OpenAI's website, and clearly these are the hand-picked best ones that they chose to share, where they just put in some text and then get a video and don't modify it. But there's really impressive stuff in there. Some of it has humans, some of it doesn't. Some of it is more realistic feeling, like the truck driving one, but some of them are more video gamey or more stylized. A lot of it is slow motion. The prompt for this AI-generated video is a young man in his 20s is sitting on a piece of a cloud in the sky reading a book. These are the videos that are available on the website, but Sam Altman is also showing it off on social media site X, where he is sharing videos upon people's requests like this one. 2 dogs having a podcast in the air. Now here's the catch. Sora isn't your everyday AI model available for casual experimentation. Access to Sora is currently exclusive to a select group of red teamers. These intrepid souls are evaluating potential risks associated with Sora's usage. As for the rest of us, we eagerly await news on broader availability. Keep an eye on OpenAI's announcements and blog posts. They're the gatekeepers to Sora's magical realm. Now the main question. What will it cost to wield this video creating sorcery? While specifics remain shrouded in mystery, we can only speculate. As Sora evolves, OpenAI aims to strike a balance between accessibility and sustainability. Perhaps there'll be subscription tiers, usage-based pricing, or even just a little bit usage. While the wait for public access continues, OpenAI's efforts hold immense promise. Sora, when publicly available, could revolutionize fields like education, filmmaking, and design. That brings us to the end. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you want to know how the world is changing with the advent of AI, subscribe AI Surge for more exclusive content. And for more daily AI updates, and go visit our website aisurge.net. Thank you very much.